Hey fellow travelers, thank you so much for choosing this channel. Today we're going to watch the Holiday Inn in Smoky Mountains. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and let's check it out. Alright, let's take a quick view of that parking garage. There's the entry. Here you can get to the elevator. You're ready to enter. Inside the lobby, they have an indoor and outdoor pool. And these elevators will lead you up. There's also another set of elevators for the signature rooms. So I'm going to show you that one. This is the one right under the cover. This is the garage at the back of the building. There's a few floors. And over there is the other set of elevators to take you to the signature rooms. So let's go over there. Alright, we're at the bottom of the garage. There's stairs to get up and down inside the garage area. And those were those elevators that we were by, where you can put your car here to unload, get up those elevators. Right above is that carport, and they got some plug-in spots. We'll take a closer look. Wow, underneath the parking garage they have electric parking. They have the J plugs, and of course if you have a Tesla you can just have that connector. And they got two plugs here next to the handicap spots in the garage. And there's the elevators. You just use your signature tag to use the elevator. Very nice to have our car undercover. Here's the other set of elevators. So let me use my card to enter. They have more carts here, so some people like to park on this level to load up the car. This elevator is not as commonly used, so it's a little bit faster. And it's right next to that splash pad. Found the arcade area. Not exactly arcade, it's kind of like the pool machine. Oh, it's activity room. Might see that later on. Looks like arts and crafts. And this elevator, since it's not as used often, gotta use your key to select the door. And we're on 5. Alright, we're coming up on our room. 525. Alright, we're entering a 4-bedroom villa It's a grand entry to walk into. This is the signature room. So let's start by walking over here. And a bathroom. The walk-in shower. It's gotta be a light right here. Nice size. Right across the way is a queen bedroom, and it has access to a balcony. We'll get a better look during our stay. It's a nice sized room. Probably my sister and I will share this one. And this is right across from the bathroom. So now we'll go to this king bedroom. King bedroom also has access to a balcony. This is the master bath. I forgot to mention that the master baths have a TV in the mirror. Luckily, my sister was able to record this and show you the showers from above. With a walk-in shower as well. Really nice space. I've never seen a hotel like this before. Now let's go to the other side of the room. Look at that kitchen, how beautiful it is. Alright, laundry room. Because the hallway is the light.
She hasn't made it in here yet. Do we know where she's at? They were like probably in
Laundry room comes with baskets, some extra towels. Alright, another bathroom. But this one has a tub shower combo. This is the kids' room. We have the bunk beds. Bunk beds, twin beds. They also have access to the balcony. And this is another king size room with access to the balcony. So we got lots of bedrooms and baths in here. Another clawfoot tub. And a walk-in shower. Wow, it's gonna be a really nice vacation view. I got the front of the sofa, a nice size TV. Here's a view of the sleeper sofa. It's now ready for bed. It's a view from one of our balconies. We got 4 chairs out here and a table between it. Nice view of the mountains. And that's the parking garage that we were below. Alright, so we're gonna look at a 3-bedroom villa. This one is on level 6. Alright, so now we're in a signature room. That's a 3-bedroom villa. So we're gonna open up to the kitchen area. It's a nice kitchenette with a full fridge. The dining and living room. So we're gonna go to our left. This is 2 full-size beds with access to the balcony. And then their bathroom's gonna be out here in the hall. This is the tub shower combo. Different shower heads in these rooms. And a king room also has access to a balcony. Clawfoot tub. double sinks, plugs by the sinks, and a private toilet. I like the pocket door. So we'll go to the other side of the villa. And here is a king-size room with access to the balcony. And this side is the city view to the balcony. And they have a walk-in shower, private toilet, and a heated towel rack, so it must get cold over here. And sinks, really nice look. So when you stay here, there is no restaurant, but there's a restaurant just right across the street here at the Log Cabin Pancake House. We had breakfast here a few times, and sometimes we would have breakfast and then take an order to go so then we can heat it up in our kitchen. And you can see straight ahead is the observation needle for Gatlinburg, and the sky lift even further back where that suspension bridge is. When you walk down Gatlinburg, you can walk down and then go to the left to Anakista from here. So a lot of things in walking distance. But overall, it's a great experience to stay here at the Holiday Inn Resort. Alright, fellow travelers, we're going to say so long to the Holiday Inn in Smoky Mountains. It was a cool stay at this resort for 4 nights and 5 days. We had a great family vacation, and I do like this resort in general because we got to have our own spacing. We had the 4-bedroom and 3-bedroom villa, and some of my favorite parts were the master bathroom showers. They had the shower that goes over your head and sprays you from the side. You can turn that on and off as a feature, and they had heated towels, so it must be really cool during the winter time, especially with the fireplace. Overall, it was a wonderful stay. So thank you for watching my video for the Holiday Inn Resort in the Smoky Mountains. Thank you so much for watching Drea's Travels. I love having you guys as subscribers. If you don't subscribe yet, thank you so much for watching the videos. If you enjoy it, please comment. If you don't like it, please comment so I can help make my channel better and improve my recording style. I'm really blessed to have all y'all guys follow me on these adventures, and thank you for following Drea's Travels. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for following. Bye.